heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I've loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I've loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. One step closer. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I've loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. And time has brought your heart to me. I've loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. One step closer. One step closer. Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again.
They don't know how long it takes
waiting for a love like this.
every time
We say goodbye. I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you. I promise you I will. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. And so I'm sailing through the sea to an island where we'll meet. You'll hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a flower in your hair.
Though the breezes through the trees move so pretty, you're all I see as the world keeps spinning round. You hold me right here, right now.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday.
Kung may taong dapat na mahalin ay walang iba kundi ikaw. Wala na ibang makakapigil pa sa akin. Binuhay mo muli ang takbo at tibok ng puso sa iyong pagmamahal. Nag-iba na puno ng saya. Sa lahat, hindi maaring iwan. Wala nang makakapigil kahit na bagyo man. Paano kung ikaw na mismo kusang lilisan? Paano ba? Mawalay ka sa buhay ko, kung pag-ibig mo ay maglaho, paano na kaya ang mundo? Kung sa oras di ka makita, kung ika'y napakalayo na, may buhay pa kaya tong puso? Yan lang ang maaari natin sadyang matatanggap habang ako'y may buhay. Mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa iniisip mo. Binuhay mo muli ang takbo at tibok ng puso sa iyong pagmamahal. Ang buhay ko'y uli na iba, na puno ng saya. Sa lahat, hindi maaring iwan. Wala nang makakapigil kahit na bagyo man. Paano kung ikaw na mismo kusang lilisan? Paano ba? Kung mawalay ka sa buhay ko, kung pag-ibig mo'y maglaho, paano na kaya ang mundo? Kung sa oras di ka makita, kung ika'y napakalayo na, may buhay pa kaya tong puso? Yan lang ang maaari natin sa diyang matatanggap. Habang ako'y may buhay, mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa iniisip mo. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa iniisip mo. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa iniisip mo. Kung mawalay ka sa buhay ko, kung pag-ibig mo'y maglaho, paano na kaya ang mundo? Kung sa oras di ka makita, kung ika'y napakalayo na, may buhay pa kayo.
Oh yeah. 105 is the number that comes to my head when I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what I plan to do. And you know one of these days, when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. We'll forever be in love, so there ain't no need to rush. But one day I won't be able to ask you loud enough. I'll say, will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me? Sing it. Oh yeah. How many girls in the world can make me feel like this? Baby, I don't never plan to find out. The more I look, the more I find the reasons why you're the love of my life. You know one of these days, when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. We'll forever be in love, so there ain't no need to rush. But one day I won't be able to ask you loud enough. I'll say, will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me? And if I lost everything in my heart, it means nothing, 'cause I have you, girl, I have you. To get right down on bended knee, nothing else would ever be better, better. The day when I say, will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me? I'll say, will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry? And when you do it, baby, got me every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what I plan to do.
Kuya Derick and Rain, here's to intoxicating marriage. Best enjoyed responsibly. Get drunk on love and be kind to each other. Love, Kuya Vince.
Hi there, Kuya Derick, Rain. Congratulations, best wishes. Take care, bye.
Message mo kay kuya. Ano ba yan? Ang pangit ko naman. Ganito biglaan.
Kakasal na siya.
Sino siya? Swerte. Swerte.
Si Ate Rain.
Totoo daga.
Oo.
Congratulations. Best wishes. And then, stay in love. And put God first in everything you do in your relationship. Stay happy.
Hope to see you.
Hope to see you soon.
Ay, charot!
Love you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations and best wishes, Kuya and Rain. We hope to see you soon. So welcome to the craziest family. And God bless you both. Bye.
What's up, Laika?
Hi, Tol.
Hi, Kuya.
Oh, best.
Rain.
Kasal na pala kayo, ano, no? Best wishes, ha?
Best wishes and congratulations to both of you.
Sabi nga sa akin nung pare, good luck.
Mukhang good luck. And we hope you stay happy together for many, many years. And we hope to see you both soon. Enjoy your very special day. Bye.
Alagaan niyo isa't isa. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.